Hello folks, welcome to this training. And this training I will be walking us around on our blog account, making us to be familiar with it, and giving us getting us acquainted to the environment and showing us what and what to know about our blog page. All right, on our blog account, sorry. So in our blog account, the first thing first, there by the top right corner of the screen is the blog logo. Okay, the next one is the list, a drop down button of the list of blog pages that you have on your blog account. The next one is if you want to post a content on your blog page, you can click on the new post and post a content on it. Just like a Facebook, how Facebook is, have Facebook page. Your Facebook page, you can be posting content on your Facebook page, different content. Okay, that's how the blog is. So you see it as your blog page, you are posting content, new content into it. So it's related to the same action that happens in Facebook. All right, down there you will see posts. All these posts, that each blog page can have series of posts in it. So down in the post section, you see the series of posts. You can delete a post, you can publish a post. Okay, so that's how it is then. So the statistics, that is a STATS there, shows the statistics, is the analysis of the blog page, the traffic that your blog page has generated. So the down below it is the comment section of it. So people's comments can actually be there. You can actually apply from there. So down next there is the earning aspect, which is one of the most important reason that people are blogging. Okay, that is one of the most important reasons we created blog accounts. Okay, people can have series of reasons of creating a blog account, either to make the public be aware of the environment, or make the public know where they are, make the public pass information to the society, to the world. Okay, they can do that from the blog page. While some people can actually say, okay, let me solve the society problem, update the people, and still make money from it. So it's a part of in there. So it's a kind of a profit aspect of passing information on your blog page. So blog page is creating blog is very, very important. So if you have your blog, from your ads generated from your blog, automatically you are earning. So you can see your earning level when you click on the earning section. Okay, when you click on the earning section, you have to create an ads. Like I said, you have to create an ads account and then have it automatically enabled. Although in the future or later in videos, I will show us how to do all this. But for now, we are not on the we will not go to this for now. I will focus on the setting up our blog account. So we have set up our blog account. It's for us to set up our blog page. So first of all, be familiar with our blog account. Okay, so that is what I'm doing on this video. So pages, these pages is these are pages in your blog account. So a series of pages that you have created on your blog account, so you can see it there. So then the layout, how you want the layouts to be. Okay, there are different ways of setting up your layout. So these layouts how you want your layouts to be, the theme you want to use in your layout. You can see the head at the top, the body at the middle, right, the footer at the bottom. So you can decide where the ads will show, where the ads will not show from this same thing. So so that is it. So we can on this layer, so you can go to themes and select the type of color you want your text to have. So that's for themes. The types of color you want, types of color, types of how the link color you to be. So those things are rendering list. So rendering list is if you have if you want to add like menu on your blog page, you can use this rendering list to do it. So but for now I will be talking about settings, which is the reason why I'm doing this this particular video. So take us to settings, how to things to see in the settings, how to do some customization on your blog account. So in the settings, I will open it and so I will get acquainted to it, to the information there. So these settings or the blog account that we've created, you can actually do some settings to change the account, the title of your blog. Okay, you can give it a description. By default, there is no description given to it yet. You can add your own description so that once your link is shared, the description will show. Okay, so that's the thing. So the blog language, the default language, adult content showing blog running in the left. So if you want to add can turn it on for adults, only for adults. So you can Google Analytics measuring. So this Falcon icon. See, if you want like a website icon, that's how the Falcon icon will be. If you don't, if you want to use a custom icon, you can upload another icon instead of using a default or your image as your icon. You can use your logo to as your icon to your blog. So that is a Falcon five icon. So the privacy aspect of the blog, you can actually enable the privacy aspect of the blog. Okay, visible to search engine. You can enable it, allow search engine to find your blog. So search engines like you can when somebody Google it online, uh, what is happening in Nigeria, okay, your blog will be among the list of content that will come up in the browser. So that is the visibility in the search engine. Publishing aspects, okay, if this has to be the URL link of your browser, you can during the creating of account, this is actually editable. You can actually edit it and get it done. Then custom domain name. This is when you want to make it to look as if instead of using for it to look as if you are using www dot the name of your blog.com, or okay, so you can actually use that custom domain name here to adjust to do the changes. So you buy a domain name, but it doesn't stop you from your blog from working, just to make it more professional to the society or to the world. So using the .blogspot.com, somebody can use www dot egodomain.com. Okay, something like that is it's much more preferable than people will not know that this is actually a blog. So you are now ghosting. No, you are just ghosting the content now. Okay, so and then I will show us another one of. All right, so in the custom domain you add it, so you buy domain from there. So you can buy domain online, you can get it from Namecheap, you add it there, so it will customize. So that is it. So that is if you want to do those. Well, there's another section of this video that that will show you. I will make another section of this video where how to configure the domain name to your blog. So but that will be in the later video. So then let's go for that. So fall back to subdomain. So we redirect the domain. So all these things are once the domain name is being set, so those ones will be activated to subdomain and redirect domain. So those once you set up your domain name, it will redirect it to you. So and let's move further. So the HTTPS, when somebody use HTTPS to open your to the if you want to use HTTPS, this is an updated version of HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It's a protocol for transferring data online in the internet. So, that is HTTP, just like how what you are seeing on the top part of the screen. If you go down, you see HTTP, but it's not showing here. You'll be seeing HTTP, but it's not showing there. So let's move further. I will not be. But that HTTP is just to open your blog page. So whether somebody want to use HTTPS, can actually connect to your blog instead of HTTP. So that is good too. Let's leave it enabled. Permissions, blog author, blog admission, admin, and author. So you can add more in this place now. You can actually make set up the admin section. Okay, you can set up the admin section of the board. Though the admin is always the name, the person that opened the account is always the admin. So and the authors are the editors of the blog. Okay, so you can actually add more people to it and you can add more people to it. So let's not talk about this for now, and let's move further to important thing in the screen. invite more authors, like if you want to add more authors, people, editors that will help you in your blogging. Okay, custom reader, blah blah blah. Post maximum posts on the main page, so you can make like 7 posts maximum. So you can actually edit it to 10. Okay, if you want to edit service settings, so it will take it to maximum post. So see how to update it to the maximum post on the page. So that is important. So if you're posting and you notice that the posting is not working anymore, actually come and update your maximum posts on your page. So we move further. Post templates. Post template is for now, just leave it like that. We have to use a layout template. That is when I talk about the layout aspect of your blog. During the startup, I talk about the layout aspect. So for now, we'll not be using the post template. So we will leave it the way it is. So the email post using email. So it's always if you don't want people to see your email address, this is where you will have to make it enabled. Publish email immediately and save email as a draft. So you can actually make this thing disabled or enabled. So posting using email, if you want to post content using email from your email address, you can post content to your blog. So that is actually possible from the blog. So somebody can send a message to your email, just publish it on your blog directory. It's still possible. For now, it's disabled, so you can enable it. So it will happen from your Gmail account to your blog page. So now let's move forward to the comment notification email. So we no email. Okay, so this is an email that will receive comments. So if you want to, but by default, the Google account the blog account will take care of that comment section of it. So it will be entering to your email results. So let's move further and meta tag enable. So enable search description. You can enable it to search description, like people using it to your blog will be among the list. When somebody search a keyword, when it's a keyword of this description, it will come out as in this browser. So custom redirect, then Crewa and rest of them, Google Search Console, monetization aspect. So this monetization aspect is where you now have your create an ads and the enable monetization, which is it has to do with the earning aspect of the blog. Okay, that is a monetization. That is what we'll be treating in the future. We'll be treating about this, how to set it up, how to make the earning work. So for now, we are user profile. You can actually also come to user profile and do small changes on it. Share my profile. You can disable that. Share my email. Show my email. You can enable or disable that if you don't want people to see your email, your age, your that kind of a thing. You can actually add your homepage URL to a lot of things, your town, your location, just like so. But it's going to use your basic profile from your Google account to create a show my profile. So that is it for this title and inclusion. So that is it for this video. Thank you very much for this video, and I hope you are now familiar with the blog settings. Okay, so in the video next video I'm talking about how to post content page and create a new page in your blog. I will show us how to do it and other things in the blog, how to write text, upload image, upload videos, set it up, make it look as a real website in your blog. So everything will be done in the next video in your blog page. So thank you very much for studying to this time. Thank you.